Want to stay connected with friends and family? Let's learn how to download WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap the source icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type WhatsApp and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see WhatsApp listed usually at the top. Tap on it to open its details page. On the app details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.